All right, well, we've been spending the last 3 hours tilling this new ground. This is hadn't been tilled in a long time, so it was took us a little while, but the equipment really did the trick. So this area back here is just beautiful. It's a big long field. It's probably 4 or 5 acres. Right here is a loaded apple tree. This whole back section in here is just heavy mature maples, but the mature maples stop, and then there's a swamp beyond this. So then beyond into that swamp is bedding area galore. We took a walk through there, my son and I, and we were blowing deer out left and right. So this is going to be a really key area because it's really tight. It's tight into the woods. It's a long, narrow food plot that just goes straight down, and it's surrounded by apple trees and mature hardwoods, and then just a little strip of mature hardwoods, and then it goes into the bedding area. So what we did is we hooked up our disc harrow, and we been tilling this stuff now for probably about 2 hours, I'd say. 2 hours of straight tilling, and it's looking really good. You can just see it's here, just really, really good soil. I can't wait to stick a seed in it and see what comes up. But a lot of work, but well worth it. Can't imagine doing anything better than this, just sitting here and tilling the soil on my own land, creating a deer habitat, and maybe get a chance to shoot something good come November. Yep. Got a little bit more work to do, but it's looking good.